What's up, everyone? I'm super late, but I just got my hands on ABH Sultry palette. This is the first look I created using it. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. So I'm starting out by priming my eyelids using Tarte Tape Shape. This is in the color Tan Sand. And I always set it with a setting powder. The setting powder I'm using today is Airspun Translucent Powder. Today I'm starting off with the shade Birch. I'm going to use that as my transition shade. Hold up. For this look, of course, I had to use the only colorful color, and that is in the shade Bloom. I'm going to put that right under the brown Birch shade. Here we go. So the next color I'm going to use is the dark brown. I believe it's called Dystopian. I'm not sure, but I'm putting on my outer V and I'm going to smoke it out. I want it to appear a little bit darker, so I added the black shade in Nora. Just a little bit. When you add black like this, you have to blend for your life because black can mess up any eye look if you don't blend it right. So now I'm just going to cut my crease using Tarte's Tape Shape Concealer. I'm only going to cut it half of my eyelid, a little bit more than half. The shade I'm going to use on my lid today is a pretty rosy champagne color, which makes the name perfect. The name is Rose Quartz. Here I'm just blending the edges, making sure I get rid of any harsh lines. And time to clean up my face. That black shade had a lot of fallout, so do your eyelids before you do your face makeup. So of course I'm going to give myself a wing liner. I love those so much. And I'm using NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner. Also I'm using one of my favorites, mascaras, and Smashbox Indecent Exposure. I put my eyelashes on off camera. Primer today I'm using is from Too Faced. And I'm going to use one of my favorite foundations. This is Makeup Forever Ultra HD. My shade is Y445. I personally like to use a brush first, then go in with the makeup sponge. I just feel like it just looks better when I do it that way. Now I'm back with the Tarte Tape Shape Concealer. Going to conceal under my eyes, my forehead, nose, cupid's bow, and chin. Yeah, I found this ABH foundation stick in the shade Mink that I'm using to contour today at TJ Maxx for $9.99. Like, that is such a good deal. These are $26 on Sephora's website. I did a haul on my channel that included everything I got from TJ Maxx, so go check that out. Now I'm just setting that contour with the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour palette. I'm using the darkest shade in the palette. It's a chubby thing. And I'm going to go in with this black Radiance Loose setting powder to clean up my contour and to also set all the places I highlighted. Now it's time to set the rest of my face. I am using MAC's Mineralize Skin Finish and Medium Deep. I'm using Tarte's blush in the shade Feisty. And now I'm going back in with that pink shade, and I'm also going to go back in with the rose quartz to put under my waterline. This really ties the look together. I notice my looks always look better when I do this. I'm lining my waterline today with NYX eyeliner in the shade Black. This is one of my favorite mascaras. This is Smashbox Indecent Exposure. Hold up. To line my lips today, I'm using Urban Decay's 24-hour Glide On Pencil in the shade Speedball. And then I'm going on top of that with MAC's Good Kisser. The highlighter I'm using today is from Too Faced. It's in the color You Light Up My Life. I swear this highlighter is good for deep skin tones. I use it almost every day. I'm so obsessed with this highlighter. To complete this look, I'm going to set my face with Maybelline's Master Fix, and that is it for this look. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like. Do not forget to leave a comment and also subscribe. Until my next video. Bye guys.